Hello everyone, tie the hairs into 3 sections like this and join them. Now on the back, tie the ribbon like this and make the plaits to fix it. Now fold the hairs to make a bun and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs on the sides. On the back, tie the hairs like this and then make the roll out of it and then fold it upward. Fix it and spread the hairs and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs on the sides. Divide it from the back and join it. Now fix the beautiful hair ribbon on the hairs and then make the plaits by fixing it like this and fold it. After folding it, make a bun and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top and divide it. Now on the sides, we will take small section of the hairs and tie the rubber bands into small sections. Now on the back, divide the hairs, join it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the back by making a ponytail. Now in the front, take the hairs and tie it like this. Make a triangle-like shape and fix it. And your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the hairs on the sides and on the back. Now fold the hairs upward and fix it like this and tie it. Now make the plaits and fold it. And your bun is ready. Next, tie the ponytail and divide it from the between and then rotate it. Fix it on the top by folding it like this. Again, repeat the process and fix it over the bun this time and then tie the hairs on the sides and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be creating some more beautiful hairstyles. Tie the hairs on the top and divide it into small sections like this. Join them by fixing it like this. Make the plaits and fold it and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we will tie the hairs on the top and then tie the hairs into small sections on the bottom side. Now join them together and fold it upward like this and fix it in a triangle shape. After that, make the plaits and fold it to make a bun and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.